your girl Tiara. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this everyday subtle glam look along with this bohemian style hair. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So first, I'm using my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. It is my favorite primer ever. I've been using it for years and it will literally smooth and blow your skin and make it look so good. And now I am just brushing up my eyebrows, getting ready to fill them in. And I am going to use my Benefit Precisely My Brow pencil in the shade 3.5. My eyebrows are already kind of naturally dark as it is, so I'm not filling them in too much. I like more of a natural brow versus a bold one, so I'm just lightly filling them in.
You ain't gotta bring those down. We got all we need right here. Just let me be in your life like that. Be your wife like that. I'll bring the light right back. I'll bring the light right back. I'm gonna make you a more.
Now I'm using the Sephora brand Clear Brow Gel just to go over my eyebrows and make sure that everything stays in place. Shouldn't be no if you down the road, need me on the west side for me. Shouldn't be no. So next I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 30. And I'm just going to use this to highlight underneath my eyebrows. I always start in the middle where the curve of my eyebrow is. And then I lightly blend inward. I don't like highlighting my entire eyebrow because it kind of makes me look like I have a unibrow. I don't know what it is, but I'm just going to lightly blend that and then blend downward.
Shouldn't be no harder. It's my love. If you follow emotions, show up. If you down the roller, meet me on the west side for me. Harder. It shouldn't be no harder. It's my love. If you follow emotions, show up. If you down the roller.
Now it's time to add a little bit of warmth to my eyelid. I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Coco Naughty, and I'm just kind of using this as an eyeshadow. It makes it look a lot more natural, and then I also like when it adds symmetry to my face because I'm going to use this same bronzer when I get to my face.
I'm gonna make you a I'm gonna be a new favorite. Tell me closing the door. I am the only for sure, baby. Harder, it shouldn't be no harder. Harder, follow emotions. Show up if you down the roller. Need me on the west side.
Now I'm just going to deepen that color a little bit and take my Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette and I'm going to go into the shade Semi Sweet. Y'all, I have had this palette for like 7 years. And I have not replaced it yet. It still works just as good, still smells like chocolate. I love this palette, but it's probably time to get a new one soon. It's beyond expired. But I'm just gonna take this color and put this into my crease just to deepen the color up a little bit and take my eye look to be just a little bit more dramatic. I still want to keep it natural, but just adding a little bit more. Next, I'm just going to line my eyes with this black eyeliner. I got it from the beauty supply store. I don't even know what the brand is, but you could literally use any pencil eyeliner. And I found a trick on YouTube to get the eyeliner to the top of your waterline. You just close your eyes really tightly and it should transfer up because it's kind of harder to do the top waterline versus the bottom. And if you see me struggling a little bit, it's because this tickles so bad for me. Like, I don't know what it is. I feel like other people would just do it seamlessly, but it tickles so bad for me and it's just so uncomfortable. Okay, time for the lashes. I got this pack of lashes off of AliExpress. I think it was only like $3. Like, literally, I love all these lashes and I'm just trying them out right now, and I found a pair. I even emailed the seller because this is like one of my favorite pairs, but they don't sell them individually, so I'm so upset about that. And I'm just gonna take some yes, I'm using weave glue for my eyelashes. It just sticks so much better than regular eyelash glue, and the inner corner doesn't lift at all for me, and it dries pretty quickly. So if you need to wear lashes for an entire day, this is what you need to use. So now it's time to get into the face. I do not wear foundation. It just doesn't look good on me. So I can never find like the right brand, the right shade, the whatever. So I just don't use it at all. So I'm just taking this Fenty Beauty concealer. This is the Pro Filter in the shade 380. And I'm just placing this a little bit lower. I found another trick on YouTube from somebody. So when you place your eyeliner further down like this, it helps to prevent creasing in your eye. So I blend it upwards. I let it dry down a little bit and then I blend it upwards, and it works really well. And when you let it dry down a little bit, you get a fuller coverage, so I like that too. And that new trick that's out with the concealer where you only apply like a little bit here and a little bit there, I can't be doing that. Like, that does not work for me. I have dark circles and bags, so I need the fullest coverage ever. So this tip works really, really good for me. And since I don't wear foundation, I need to make this look as natural as possible. So I'm taking a face brush. This is from Real Techniques. This is the it's the Expert face brush. And I'm just blending this into my face to make it look like I'm wearing this everywhere. Like it's not just concealer sitting on my face. to set the concealer, I'm using the Mercier translucent powder, and I'm going to be using a flat foundation brush to apply this. And to avoid looking cakey, I take some of the translucent powder on my brush and I place it on my hand to get the excess off, and then I'm just going to use the rest on my face. And it just makes it look super seamless and everything, and I'm not using too much and I don't end up looking cakey. Now it's time for blush. I am using this Ish lip statement palette. I'm using lipstick first as kind of like a liquid blush, and then I'm going to go over it with a powder. So I'm taking this kind of pinky shade and I'm just applying that everywhere. And then I'm going to go in after that with the Alamar Cosmetics Blush Trio palette, and I'm going to be taking the shade Isla, and I'm just going to place that over top of it just to set the lipstick that I'm using.
Why don't you say the things that you said to me yesterday? Say my name, no one is around you. Say, baby, I love you. If you ain't running game, say my name. You acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. Why the sudden change? Say my name, you know one is around you. Say, baby, I love you. If you ain't running game.
Okay, back to the Fenty bronzer. I'm just going to take this foundation brush to apply it. And I use a foundation brush because I haven't found like a really good bronzer brush yet. If you guys know of any, please let me know down in the comments below. But bronzer brushes that I have used before, it just doesn't apply how I need it to. And so I'm just going to use the bronzer all over my face. And then when it comes to my forehead, I use a little bit more than normal because I usually don't put any makeup on my forehead, and I just need everything to kind of blend together, you know, like I don't want it to look like I'm not wearing makeup up there. So that's why I'm applying, you know, just a little bit more.
Something's going down, that's the way it seems. Shouldn't be the reason why you act this strange. Nobody's holding you back from me.
Now to set everything, I'm just going to use the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And last but not least, we are on to the lips. I am using the Estée Lauder Double Wear Eye Pencil, and I'm using this as a lip liner just because I really like the color of it. It's in the shade Coffee. And then I'm going to use the Ulta Beauty brand lip gloss. It's like a jelly lip gloss, and I love this so much. I'm about to buy like 5 of them. It's I just got it, and it smells so good. It like reminds me of my childhood, and it's just a really good lip gloss. Alright, now onto the hair. I'm just going to take down these 2 braids that I put in the night before. I have in my Amazing Beauty clip-ins. They are 22 inches, 220 grams, and it's in the shade 1B, but I dyed them jet black to match my hair. If you are interested, I did a review on them. I'm going to link that video down below. But I'm just going to take the braids out, and it gives me this really cute, like loose kind of curled. I wasn't trying to like have my hair too curly, but this just goes along with the makeup look that I'm trying to do. Now I'm going to put in 2 braids that connect to the back to kind of give it like a bohemian kind of look. And I'm just going to part my hair and then braid this into kind of like a medium-sized braid. I'm going to do that to the other side too.
It's hard to believe that you are at home by yourself when I just heard the voice of someone else. Just this question, why do you feel you gotta lie? Getting caught up in your game when you cannot say my name. I know you say that I am assuming things. Something's going down, that's the way it seems. Shouldn't be the reason why you act this strange. Nobody's holding you back from me. 'Cause I know how you usually do. When you're saying everything to me times two. Why can't you just tell the truth? If somebody's there, then tell me who. Say my name. If no one is around you, say baby I love you. If you ain't running game, say my name. You acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. Why the sudden change? Say my name. If no one is around you, say baby I love you. If you ain't running game, say my name. You acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. Better say my name.
I got my peaches out in Georgia. Oh yeah, shit. I get my weed from California. That's that shit. I took my chick up to the north, yeah. Badass bitch. I get my light right from the source, yeah. Yeah, that's it. And I see you. The way I breathe you in. It's the texture of your skin. I wanna wrap my arms around you, baby, never let you go. Oh, and I see you. It's nothing like our touch. It's the way you lift me up. Yeah, and I'll be right here with you tonight. I got my beaches out in Georgia. Oh yeah, shit. I get my weed from California. That's that shit. I took my chick up to the north, yeah. Badass bitch. I get my light right from the source, yeah. Yeah, that's it. Oh yeah, shit.
Now that I'm undoing the two braids that I had in the front for some bangs, I did not like how it came out. Like, it looks like it's crimped. I was going for more of like a kind of like a little curl, like how my hair is, and I just did not like how it came out. So I'm going to straighten the bangs and then try to curl it back. And it probably wasn't the smartest idea to put lip gloss on while I was doing my hair, but oh well. And again, I did not like how these bangs were coming out. Like, I just don't know, they weren't just coming out the way that I wanted to. So I'm just using my flat iron and I'm just trying to give myself a little curl. And this wasn't exactly how I wanted it to come out, but it still looks cute, so I was happy with it. And here is the final look, you guys. So I love how this look came out. It's just such a cute like hair and makeup look for the summer. It's like bohemian and like the face is like beat, but it's natural at the same time too. Like, I love it. I'm gonna be doing this all summer, so I hope you guys like it. If you want to see another tutorial, just let me know down in the comments below. It could be hair or makeup, but just let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching.